So the RPE scale, the rate of perceived exertion, this is essentially a scale of 1 to 10 on how hard things feel. 1 being super, super easy, 10 being extremely hard, you couldn't work any harder. Now we tend to use the RPE scale in the program for exercise such as cardiovascular exercise and other exercises where we can't necessarily judge how many reps we've got left and it's not applicable to that exercise, such as a sled push, for example. So on a scale of 1 to 10, we would implement a training intensity for that certain exercise or for that session to say how hard it should feel. This is really beneficial for things like running or cycling because it takes away from requiring looking at a watch, looking at heart rate zones, and it takes into consideration the fact that we might be using different terrain, and if you're trying to hold an RPE of 3, it just means that you've got to slow right down, for example, if you're going up a hill, to make it feel that little bit easier. And this is how we use the RPE scale within the program. It's also very beneficial and helps us with progressive overload because week by week you'll be getting fitter, healthier and stronger, but if we maintain an RPE of 7 each week, that RPE of 7 might mean that each week you're moving a little bit faster, but at the same level of intensity and feeling the same way about the actual routine itself. So your training intervals or your training tempo run might actually feel the same, but actually you'll be going a little bit faster. And that's how we implement it for progressive overload within the program itself.